Welcome everybody to a rainy day, I think, in theory. Yeah, so it was raining a bunch before. I was thinking, man, this rain is never gonna stop. And yeah, there's a pause in the rain, so we want to go. I mean, we want to go a fair ways today. I think like almost 50 miles. Which is. Wait, 50 miles? That's like 80k. Okay, so we have less than 80k. Okay, I guess it's not that bad. Yeah. But yeah, hopefully everything will be good and we don't freeze too much. But yeah, it's nice that it's not raining now. And we could take everything down while it's while it's not raining. Welcome everybody to a rainy, slightly miserable day. We're kind of camping out on some
it's a fucking shitty day.
It's a fucking shitty day, yeah. Yeah, so this is our kind of halfway stop. Just trying to warm up, eat some dates. What is it? We've done, I think 32 miles. Have 25 or so left to go. Yep. So like 40k. Yep. So this is Delta Junction. So we came from over here. And this is just a fork in the road. Wow, it just stopped raining. That's nice. Let's clear this camera. Yeah, so we're going on, onwards down the Alaska Highway towards Fairbanks, but later, eventually, after going around, all over Alaska, the plan is to actually come back here, down this road and go this way. So this goes towards, so I guess this is the Taylor Highway. I think it turns into the top of the world highway. Yeah, and it goes to kind of the northern Yukon, so towards Dawson City. Yeah. Okay, here we are. Johan, where are we? What are we up to?
So we are in fucking Talk, and we are in Alaska since more or less 1 day, 1 day and a half.
Yeah.
And we celebrate it. So with a beer, with a cigarette, and with a bath.
Yes.
Which is the best thing ever. So some luxury sometimes is good to get. And so right now I'm here, and I enjoy it.
Yes.
Nothing else to do. Smoke cigarette, drink beer with my friend.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I mean, great time.
Fucking great time. We deserve it.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. So it's been, we've been here 2 nights. About to head off, and guess what? There's rain! Yay! Everybody likes rain. How are you feeling, Yuan?
I feel like we're gonna get 2 or 3 days of rain.
Yeah.
I'm not really happy because I was hoping to get good weather. And so now we have to put plastics everywhere.
Yeah.
To try to stay dry.
Yes.
And like we will, it's gonna be not a fun day, let's say.
Yeah, no, it's just, yeah, it's a lot of this. I don't know. I feel like I can't, like, enjoy myself. Like, I can't, like, look around, Yeah. You're just like, I gotta get through the day. There's some mountains around today. They're pretty close, but it's pretty cloudy. Pretty cloudy here. We're just kind of stopping for the second time It's a pretty short day today, I think. Maybe. I don't actually know. I think 40 something miles. Yeah, but it feels like it's going by quickly. I don't think it's as rainy and miserable as other days we've had. Or maybe I'm getting used to it. Or maybe having so I have plastic bags over my socks like that, and maybe that's helping me stay warm. So we have a little bit of a view over here. There's a little house down there. Maybe maybe Johan wants to go buy that house. He wants to buy land somewhere in Alaska. We have a little sign over here talking about the early hunters of Tanana, which I'm not sure. I'm presuming is here. You know, it talks about the, oh well, there's the Tanana River. Maybe that's it. But yeah, it's cool because it's going really far back, right? It's going 12,000 years back. We know when people were crossing the land bridge between Siberia and Alaska. You know, so it's pretty cool. So they were, you know, they had mammoths and everything. They were hunting and bison. Apparently this was more grassland rather than taiga that we see. So yeah, this used to all be land because the sea levels were lower. Yep. Nice, nice. Oof.
Oh, fuck's sake.
So, ooh, nice. So we're planning to stay either maybe over here beside the school. Wait. Oh, is it a weekend?
Monday.
No, Monday. Yeah, that's right. That's true. Okay. So we're planning to stay either here or maybe there's a church nearby. We might ask them if we could stay with them. Yeah, so we're just packing up over here. It's, you know, today is more rain. Look at that. What joy. What a thrill. But probably the last day of rain, maybe. Of like serious rain all day, I think. And that's what I remember. So it's the end of the day now. We went to a pub, and it was pretty cool. Pub, bar and grill. I don't know, but they had like a whole games room with like foosball and darts and air hockey and I think air hockey. We didn't play that though. We played ping pong, foosball, and pool. So that was cool. So we're kind of planning to camp somewhere around here. Yeah.